Hello friends, in this video I will show you that how we can create or how we can design a flyer, event flyer in Adobe Photoshop CC. So first of all, create new document and select I will select print A4 and will select like pixels, and this is a event flyer and resolution 300 and color mode RGB. Okay, now first of all we need the background, so we can select paint bucket tool, and from here we will select some color which we will use as the background. Opacity should be 100% like this, or something like this one. Okay, now click on view and click new guide layout and select number of columns, like select 12 columns, and getter select like 50 pixels, select more like 100 pixels, yeah, 50 is okay, and margin select from top like 100, 150, and 150 from left, and 150 from bottom, and 150 from right, and then click OK. So now you can see we have 12 columns, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. With this is gutter space, and this one the margin which we created on top and on bottom and right and left. So this margin we will not use. Now we will type some text first of all. So I will use before typing the text like ellipse tool, and we'll create some small shapes here like this one, and fill it with white color, and then with move tool I will make duplicate like 2 3 4. You can press and hold alt and then make duplicate. Make sure the difference between them like same. You can see 40 pixels. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, press and hold shift. I will select all of them, and then again press and hold alt, and I will make duplicate. Then I will type text color. I will select white. In the font I will select something, this one. This I will move here. So now this text should be in center. You can see the line like smart guide is telling, like this is in center. So we can make it in center. You can press and hold space bar to move this one. Now we will type the event name. So I will open this image and will type here I will type here the name like event name is here. You can see like this. So unlock this background, move this text like here, then click layer and click select this layer, and now click create clipping mask, so you can see something like this, and then control shift E for one layer. So this is now one layer. We can move from here to this tab like this. Control T for transform control, and then change the size like this. This also should be in center. And if you want to apply like outline, you can apply blending options and click stroke. I will select white and something like 10. Make sure this is in center. Okay, now like event, what event is about, so I will type here event description here. Control T for transform and increase the size. Make sure this is also in center. You can also do one thing like select this, then press and hold control and select background, then click here. So this indicates like center, this is right, this is left. So now this is here. Then we will type the name and duration or timing of the event. So first we will make duplicate for this, and then we will make more duplicate, and we'll make more duplicate, and now we will make more. We have now some copies of these. You can press and hold shift and select all of them like this. I am selecting. And then move them like in center. Perfect. Now press and hold alt and make duplicate like this. I will make duplicate for this one, and then click T and we will type the text like 5 to 7 p.m. and this I will change the size, and we will make it like here. 2 columns we will left from here, and then one this I will make in the center, and then one more here, and here we will type like October 11 2019, like this. Okay, now we will make 3 circles. So what we will do, first control O and open these images. Now elliptical tool and create. Now see, some space we were left from here. So this is 1 column, this is 2 column, this is 3 column, and this one is 4 column, like this. So this section we have now, you can see, and this you can see like window and info. So width 688, height 688. So we will remember this one, 688, 688. I will open notepad and will write 688, 688. So from here now we will copy something with rectangle, marquee tool for example, control C, and here now select like background, edit, paste special, paste into. Now you can see this, control T for transform control, and then press and hold alt plus shift. We can move like this. Yes. So again, like with this guide ruler, we can create a guide something like this. Now select elliptical marquee tool. This time we will select fixed size, and it was 688 by 688, and this space we will left now and click here. So see, this is 688 by 688. Now open another image like this one and select with rectangular marquee tool, and then control C for copy, and edit, paste special, paste into, will place inside, control T for transform, then press and hold alt plus shift to change the size. And same, now we need one more, so we will left this one, this gutter space, and then click here, here we can see something like this, and select background, and this time we will select this image, control C for copy and edit, paste special, paste into, control T for transform control, and change the size like this and move it here. Now we need the names of these, so we can write horizontal type from here, like first person, and it should be like in the center of this one, or you can use something like this. Just select the text and select normal rectangular marquee tool and create like 4 column selection, then select the move tool and click here. So this is center, this is right, this is left. So same thing like we will make here. So this time select this and now 1 2 3 4 columns, it should be in center. So from here, then one more, something like this, then we can edit this text. Now we will create like a line with line tool, and line is like here, and this line height is 1 pixels, like 10 pixels, and the fill color is like white, you can see. And then we can add the address. So select the type tool and like select this, and instead of typing the text, I will paste lorem ipsum. This is just like dummy text. Now you can see the flyer is ready. Go to view and click like show guides. Guides will remove. F for full screen and Control 0 for fit in window, and you can see like the flyer is ready. So as I explained like how easily we can create the flyer, please subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends. Thank you very much.